Morning guys, it's Marvin at Georgia Door and Gate. I wanted to do a short demonstration real quick this morning to show you how important it is to do your preventive maintenance and make sure your doors are lubed. I have a commercial roller that I got out of the box. And you can see how much that thing rolls. I'm going to take some of this Get Some 1000 Supreme lubricant for garage doors, and I'm going to spray this right here into this bearing. Lube it up a little bit. All right. So now I want to show you what it does. That's incredible. Now picture 12 or so of these on a major commercial door. All of them brand new out of the box. They work. Then they start to get a little bit of wear on them. And you're not lubing them and you're not doing your preventive maintenance. Think about how much drag is on your opener or on your people if they're manual doors to lift them. Preventive maintenance is key to preventing injury and preventing downtime. Something to think about today. Preventive maintenance.